Welcome, students. Welcome to my live class. Here I am going to share some important questions, okay, which frequently comes in optional math, okay, of grade 10 or SE. Here I have displayed already the question, okay. If A plus B plus C equals 180 degree, or here it can be pi radian also, then prove that sine square A plus sine square B plus sine square C equals to 2 plus 2 cos A cos B cos C. This is the question to prove here, okay? Look, I'm going to share its solution. Look here. Here, what I suggest first, write there solution and given condition there is that. Look here. There is given condition is A plus, okay, A plus B plus C is given 180 degree, right here. This condition is given. Then by using this condition, we are going to solve this one, okay? Right here, left hand side, okay? And in this left hand side, there is given sine square A, sine square A plus sine square B sine square B, and there is given next one is there plus sine square C is there. Then first of all, we need to bring this in formula. For that we have to, okay, divide and multiply by 2. Look here, to make it balance one. Look here, we are dividing this, look here, by 2, and here multiply by 2. The 2 to cancel. Then when you multiply this by 2, each term will be there, okay, multiplied by 2. Then it will be right same here, sine square A, okay, plus sine square B. This will be written same, sine square B, and finally there is sine square C also, sine square C, okay. As we know that, look here, when we multiply by 2, then it will be 2 sine square A, and we can write here 2 sine square A means, okay, we can write here 2 sine square A. This 2 sine square, its formula we know, 1 minus cos 2A, right? 2 sine square A means 1 minus cos 2A, right? Okay. And similarly, when you multiply by this 2 with this sine square B, then there will be 2 sine square B, then 2 sine square B means we know 1 minus, okay, cos 2B, that is okay, right here, cos 2B. And after this, we have to close this, okay, and we are closing this one bracket, and then what is left there, plus, and this will be 2 sine square A. That 2 sine square A also here, so we can open here 1 minus, okay, see here, this we have multiplied, we will need this, okay. here only, this one only, this 1 by 2 and this here only, up to here only. This sine square c is separate, okay? That's why this sine square c will be there 1 minus upon here cos square c, right? This 1 by 2 into 2 will be, applied for this two terms only. And now, when we add this 1 plus 1, it will be 2. And when you multiply this with inside 1, look here, what will happen? See here, this will be 1 plus 1, 2. Then when you multiply this 1 by 2, 1 by 2 with 2, inside 1 is 2 there, write it 2. And here, this 1 by 2 multiply here also, 1 by 2, okay? Then here inside the bracket there is, right here, cos 2a, cos 2a. We have taken minus common, that's where it will be plus cos 2b, okay? Right here, cos 2b, cos 2b right here. Okay, students. Then this one, there is 1 here. That's why now this will be outside only, right here. This is 1, 1 only here, and minus, there is cos square c, right? Write it same, cos square c, okay? Now when you multiply this one, this 2 and this 2 cancel, and here is remaining 1 only, and this one, okay, this one and this one will be added, and it will be here 2, right here 2, okay, and minus here. Now we are going to upon this formula, look here, cos 2a plus cos 2b, they are, okay, they are in the form of, look here students, this is already we added 1 plus 1 to here, and we are now writing the formula of cos c plus cos d, okay? And for the cos c plus cos d, as we know that, right here 1 by 2, okay, this is 1 by 2 only, and we know that cos c plus cos d means we know 2, okay, this is dot, okay, this is dot, 2 cos, right here c, this is 3 means 2a here, 2a plus 2b, okay, it will be 2a plus 2b is whole upon 2, okay, then we can take 2 common and 2 will be cancelled here, and in 2 there will be now cos, okay, c minus the c means there 2a minus 2b, okay, right, 2a minus 2b, then we have to take common 2 common, then that 2 will be cancelled by this 2, and next one, look here, we have already added this one and this one here, so that here is remaining only cos square c, okay, cos square c only remaining here. Then now for the next step, here look children here 2, and this 2 and this 2 also cancel, and we know that here is remaining, cos a plus b, okay, here is remaining cos a plus b, okay, and here is remaining cos a minus b, because by taking this 2 common, there is remaining only a minus b now, because 2 this 2 and this 2 will cancel by taking common, here is a minus b, right? And now last one, there is cos square c, okay. Now as we know here, by using this condition, if you put here, now go for this Okay, a plus b right here. A plus b equals to, there will be now here 180 degree minus c. And if you take a cos on both sides, look here children, here is given cos a plus b will be on the left side here. Cos a plus b means, see here now, here will be also cos, okay, cos 180 degree, right here, cos 180 degree minus c here. Then its value will be, look here, it is 2 into 90, it's 2 into 90, that's why cos will remain cos only, okay, and here is c also. But this 100 degree minus c means it lies on this second quadrant, right? And here the value of cos is negative, that's why it will be here minus cos c, okay? Only here in this quadrant, second quadrant, sine and cosec values will be positive, okay? CAST, that's why sine and cosec value will be positive. Here it is the value of cos, cos value will be negative here now, okay? Now let's see here. Now it is 2 minus, okay, it is minus. And as we know that, look here, I have just written a cos a plus b means what is coming here? Minus cos c, then this minus cos c, and this minus minus will be here plus, then right here will be plus cos c, okay, right here cos c, okay. Another one, there is cos a minus b is remaining there, cos a minus b right here. And next one, look there, it is cos square c, this is cos square c. Now look here students, now we have to take here 2 plus, now take common here cos c common, then here is remaining cos a plus b, cos a, look here, minus, here is cos c is common corner, cos a minus b left here, and here is also leaving minus cos c, okay, then curly bracket close here, okay. And after that, look here, I'm going to show you here now. After that step, look here, now it is remaining there 2, right, and plus, as we know this is cos c, look here, cos c. In our answer also there is already cos c, okay, we have already obtained it. And now here's curly bracket, okay, and there is given cos a minus b, there is left cos a minus b, right, cos a minus b, this is okay, and here minus cos c. As you know, minus cos c means cos a plus b, right, here right here, plus cos a plus b, here will be cos a plus b will be there, cos a plus b will be here, okay, like this we have to do, okay. And after that, see here, then here we have to do a little bit faster, because as we know this is cos c, we have already got in cos c here, right, and cos c already coming, okay, of this side and side, then only this is remaining, look here, 2 cos a cos b remaining. That's why by looking this condition, this formula, cos a minus b plus cos a plus b, this is the formula of, this is the formula of 2 cos a cos b. Directly we can write here, this is cos c here, which we had to obtain in our right hand side, it has already come. And what is remaining now here, the remaining one is there, 2 cos a cos b, and actually its formula is also, this is cos a minus b plus cos a plus b, that is 2 cos a cos b is the formula of this one. Okay, then we can tell now. Okay, from that one, this one, we can tell our answer is over there, right? This is our required answer also. Okay, still, and this one, look here, this one is given in our answer also, that we have to write here. Okay, the right answer here, I have done these two steps here to manage the space. Then write here 2 plus, we can add this last one, 2 to this 2 will be written first, then write here cos A into cos B, okay, into, that is multiplied by cos C. Then it is proved. Okay, like this we have to solve it. Okay, right, this is the way to solve this type of question. I hope you are clear about it. Okay, so now I am going to say you, okay, the next type of question the question is like this, look here, this is also from the trigonometry. Will be asked like this, okay, if is given here tan theta, right, is given tan theta plus, okay, there is not given plus, there is given equals to, okay, tan theta equals to cot theta, right, and asking find theta, okay, and here is given condition. For this condition, there is given We have to find the value of theta from 0 degree to 0 degree to, okay. This means theta must be greater than or equals to 0 degree, but less than or equals to 90 degree. Okay? Like this equation also will be asked in short question, okay. And in this case, how to solve it there? I will show you here. First write solution, okay. And we have to write this given condition here. Tan theta, okay, equals to, write here cot theta, and we can bring both of them either in tan or cot, okay. Like this, look here. Write here first tan theta. Write here tan theta here first. Then here also we can make tan theta, but for that we have to write a tan. As we know, this is in the first quadrant, okay. It's all value will be positive. Tan 90 degree minus theta, okay. Tan 90 degree minus theta means cot theta. That's why in place of this we can use this. On both sides there is tan. Now we can, okay, we can write now both tan. That's why we can write it theta equals to, what is that? Theta equals to, here is coming 90 degree minus theta, okay. Now we can bring this theta and theta one side. Then it will be a theta plus theta, okay. Here will be theta plus theta, and here is remaining 90 degree, okay. And now, as we know that when this theta and added with theta, it will give 2 theta, okay. It will give here 2 theta here. Then here it is 90 degree, right? Therefore, we can write here this theta equals to, here will comma, okay. Comma put here after this all. Then theta equals to, we have to write a 90 degree, clear? 90 degree by 2 right here. Therefore, we can write theta equals to 45 degree is the answer, okay. This is the answer for this type of question. Clear, okay. And next one, look here, I want to share one question. And the next question is like this. See here, children. I'm going to clear it. And next question is like this. This type of question also asked in the examination to prove, okay. Question will be given like this to prove, and the question will be like this here, prove, and there is given cos 8 degree, right? Right, a cos 8 degree plus sine 8 degree, sine 8 degree, okay, and is whole upon, there is given cos 8 degree minus sine 8 degree, cos 8 degree minus sine 8 degree, okay. Its result should be brought, okay. We have to bring the result, that is tan 53 degree. We have to find out its answer in tan 53 degree. In this question like this, okay? Then we have to write here, first of all, left hand side. Okay, right left hand side. And left hand side is given there cos 8 degree. Okay, and here is plus sine 8 degree. And its whole upon there is given cos 8 degree minus sine 8 degree, and we should try to bring, look, either both in cos or both in sine. Okay, that's why after this, what will be the step? Look here, first write this one cos 8 degree same. Okay, cos 8 degree at same, and now in place of sine 8 we have to write now here also cos. Okay, it is 90 degree minus 82. Okay, 90 degree minus 82 because its difference is, okay, is there? Okay, this is sine one. Okay, can you write this one? Okay, like this here. I want to double it with this one. Look here, this one you can write like this, see, not in cos one. First write here this sine only, then later it will be converted into cos. Okay, write as sine, we can write now here 90 degree minus 90 degree minus right here 82, because 90 minus 82 is there 8, that's why you have to apply this. Okay, and whole upon, now we have to write here down also similarly cos 8. Our aim is to bring both the trigonometric function in same way. Okay, here also write as sine, then we can write here also 90 degree minus 90 degree minus 82 degree. Okay, as we have done in numerator same. Okay, now after this, when you open this formula of cos tool on this one and this one, and other right same, this is cos 8 degree, right? Right here cos 8 degree, this is plus the sine 90 minus 82. It will be the formula of cos tool, then that lies in first quadrant, and it will be changed into cos. Okay, now both are coming in cos 82 degree. Okay, here it will be same, and whole upon there is this also right same cos 82 degree. Okay, minus this is what, sine this 90 minus 82, it will be sine 90 minus theta, that means cos theta. Okay, cos what is there, 82 degree. Okay, it will be now, this is 8 degree only, down one, this 8, this one is 8, this is the extra one, not the 82, this is 8 only. Okay, this one is extra, right? This got cos 8 degree. Now look here students, what to do here, see, both are in cos. Now we can use the formula of cos t plus cos t, that means cos 2 cos will be there, 2 cos c means over there 8 degree, right? 2 cos c plus d means there 82, right, degree, and it's upon 2, and into we know another also cos c minus d. Okay, c means there 8 degree, another one is minus 82 degree, right, 82 degree, this 82. Okay, 82 degree, and by this one only. Okay, this angle only by 2 here, and same thing do for the denominator also, cos c minus cos t we know 2, it will be here sine 2 sine c minus t. Okay, This are two sine c plus d, first one. First one is plus, then later on only negative one. 8 degree plus 82 degree, okay, by 2. And here also we have to use now sine d minus c, okay. Here is sine d minus c. That d means what is there? Right here 82 first. D means 82 here minus 8, okay. Here is 8 degree and it's upon 2, right? Then look here, students. Now as we know, this 2 to cancel here, and we know this is 90 by 2 means cos 45 degree. Here is right here cos 45 degree, okay, into here is cos 8 minus 82, okay. 8 minus 82 there is coming, you can subtract here. From 82 we are subtracting 8, then it will come 74, and 74 is also divided by 2. It will come here negative, okay, cos, okay, 37 minus will be here minus 37 minus cos 37 degree, okay, will be here. But cos negative angle will come, okay, opposite this one, outside, and it will make positive because it is the arbitrary angle. Cos minus theta means cos theta, that's why. Now what is down on this? Right here sine, this is 90 by 2, this is 45, okay. As we know, sine 45 value and cos 45 value will be same, and this side is sine, okay, 74 divided by 2, that will be also here sine, okay. It is 37 degree, it is automatically positive here, right? Now as I told you, its value will be 1 by square root 2, okay, and that is also divided by another 1 by square root 2. Here is also, and we can cancel this and this. Here is 1, and here is left cos by sine, okay. Cos by sine is same, and cos by sine means we can write here cot 37 only here. Cot 37 means, as we know, we can write here this side, let's write here equals to, and cot 37 means we can write cot, okay, 90 degree, right here cot 90 degree minus, then we have to write here 53, okay, because when you subtract 53 from 90, you get 10 minus 3, 7, right? And here is 8, 8 minus 5, 3, 37 degree comes there. Then we can write this is the cast tool, and this lies in first quadrant, and cot will be changed into 10. Cot 90 minus theta, okay, that formula we are using. That will be 10, 53 degree. It is the right hand side that we need to be. That's why left hand side equals to right hand side. We have obtained the result, okay, that we need to bring. Then we have to write proved, okay. This is proved. By solving this question we have proved it, okay. And today this only. If you have any difficult questions, okay, regarding the solution of optional math of SEE students, you can share in my comment box, okay. I will try to make it easier, and I will try to solve your difficulties, okay. Today this much only. Thank you very much. Thank you.